Do you know what your face shape is? You often hear that question when picking out eyewear or getting a new hairstyle or even contouring your face. If you still don't know what your face shape is, I have a solution for you that's very easy and it'll help you figure out your face shape. So if you're curious, stay tuned. Hi, I'm Jacqueline and welcome to Timeless Beauty Studio for the Mature Woman. On this channel, I share with you tips that I have learned as a makeup artist and image consultant, and also what I teach my mature clients when they come into my studio. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about how to determine your face shape, so I hope you enjoy. There's a technique that you might have heard of how to find your face shape, and I've heard it many times on television and have read it that if you look into the mirror and you get a lipstick or a marker and follow along your face shape and write it, copy it onto the mirror, that you could figure out your face shape. But actually I don't find this very accurate, and I think it's very confusing to the eye. So I have a couple of ideas that will help you, and I believe is more accurate and will help you to find your face shape. Okay, so the first idea I have for you is to take a close-up picture of your face and make sure all your hair is off your face. Get a headband like this and make sure your hair is off your face so you can see exactly all the area of your face. Now take your picture, close-up picture, make sure it's big enough, and then print this out and draw a line around the face with a marker or some kind of a colored marker or pen. And I'm going to put a little bit of a video in for you so you can see the clip of exactly how I do that. And then that way you'll have a picture of your face and it shows exactly the outline of your face, and it really helps to determine what face shape you have. Okay, so what I've done is I've taken a picture of my face and blown it up, and now I just printed it out, and I'm just going to show you what I do is just to outline the face. I'm going to put that there and take a marker, and I'm just going to outline my face like so. So you just follow it all the way around the sides of your face, all the way down and up like so. So that shows you that my face is oval shape. Now if your face was a different shape, you would see it on the outline. I have come across here a little bit wider there. So that shows you that I have an oval shaped face, and that's how simple it is. So give it a try and let me know how you do with that. Now another way to do it is taking that picture and putting it on your computer and opening up Word and a blank page, and then taking that picture and popping it into Word. And I'll also show a little video of me doing that with my face. Okay, so I have my Word document up, and this is another way of showing you how to do your face shape, find out your face shape. That's very easy. So I put my picture into the Word document from that was on the computer. I go to Insert, and then I'm going to go to Shapes. I'm going to pick a shape that I feel is similar to my face shape, which I believe is oval. So if you have a square face, you would find the square or the diamond. There's different shapes in here you can find. So I'm going to pick this oval shape, and I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go over to my picture and click on that. And then I'm going to stretch it to fit my face. So I'm going to go right up, actually going to stretch it to fit for your forehead to the side of your face, and I'm going to move that over to stretch it out to fit the top of my head there. Now it looks round. I'm going to stretch it longer to fit an oval face and make it look, there it goes right down to my chin. So as you can see, it fits my face perfectly. So I can see right away that it is an oval. But what I'm going to do next is I'm going to remove the fill on here. So there's a line around my face. And I'm going to outline that line even thicker so it's more visible. I'm going to go to Weight, and I'm going to go to a thicker line here. And I want to also change the color of it, and I'm going to go to red so it's more visible. So there you go. I've indicated that my face shape is oval. It fits on my face very well. And so do it with yourself and see what shape fits for you. Is a square or a diamond and that sort of thing. And you can print it off, and then you definitely see your face shape. So anyway, give it a try, and actually I'd love to hear from you and let me know if it works for you. So anyway, there's just a couple little tips. I hope you got some ideas. I encourage you to give it a try if you aren't sure what your face shape is. It does help, especially knowing how to what to buy for glasses and hairstyles. I'm going to be doing a video on how to pick out frames. So I thought this video showing your face shape would be the first step to helping you to figure out your frames that's best suited to your face. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell. It's free and you'll be notified when a video goes up the next time. I just want to thank you for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!